Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a standard subscription in Bold Subscriptions. In the Bold Subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups on the menu navigation. On this page, click Create Subscription Group. In the Subscription Information section under Group Name, enter a name for the subscription group. This name is only for internal use to help you identify this subscription group from others that are present in Bold Subscriptions. Next, you need to select the products you want to add to this subscription group. Click Select Products, choose your products you want included in this subscription group, and click Confirm. In this video, we'll be skipping over the convertible setting. Please visit our Help Center to find step-by-step instructions and a video tutorial for creating a convertible subscription. Next, under Subscription Frequency, you need to specify the subscription frequencies that you want to offer for the products you selected earlier. Enter the subscription frequencies you would like to offer on the product page for each product chosen in the subscription group. If you are using a fixed subscription frequency, where the subscription renews on the same day regardless of when the subscription is purchased, it's best to use cutoff days. You can read more about subscription frequencies and cutoff days on our Help Center. In the next section, titled Order Requirement, this setting allows you to specify a minimum number of orders that must pass before a subscriber can cancel their subscription. This feature ensures that customers must stay subscribed for a minimum number of orders in order to benefit from your subscription discounts. Before enabling this feature, it's recommended to check your local laws to ensure your region allows minimum order requirement. Enable the toggle in this section if you would like to use a minimum order requirement, then enter a value you would like to use as the order requirement. Please note that the initial order counts towards the minimum order requirement. In this video, we'll be skipping over the prepaid setting. Please visit our Help Center to find step-by-step instructions and a video tutorial for creating a prepaid subscription. In the last section, you can set an optional recurring discount to help incentivize your subscription offering. If you would like to add a recurring discount, enable the toggle, choose either % off or amount off, and enter a value for your recurring discount. If you want, you can enable a dynamic discount. Dynamic discounts change the discount amount after a certain number of orders have passed. Increasing the discount can encourage customers to stay subscribed longer. You can also use dynamic discounts to offer a free trial for the first order, then switch to a base level discount. I'll enable a dynamic discount in this example. Click the checkbox next to Change Discount after specific number of orders. Expand the menu under After the and select the number of orders which must pass before the discount changes. Please note that the number of orders you choose includes the customer's initial order. Enter your desired amount in the Discount Offer field and expand the Type menu to choose a % off or amount off discount. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to save your subscription group. Navigate to your storefront, then navigate to a product page for a product you selected in the subscription group. The subscription widget will look like this on the product page. For my subscription example, I'm offering a monthly coffee blend subscription with a 50% off discount for the first order. After the initial order is purchased, the discount switches to 10% off for all recurring orders. If I add this product into the checkout on a recurring subscription, the 50% off discount is applied in the checkout. Once I successfully purchase this product and navigate to the customer portal, you'll see that the recurring discount has automatically changed to 10% off. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold subscriptions, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.